Remember we seen this the other day, the extendable organizer? Honey, they have a smaller one. This is $1.25 as well, but this one is smaller. Absolutely love this. Honey, you can put your pens in here, your pencils in here, your makeup brushes. You can also put your paint brushes in here. This is really, really cute. Now, Dollar Tree also have this storage box right here. This is really, really cute as well. It has the gold too. And I think Dollar Tree just got these because they still have the paper and stuff on them. Really, really cool. $1.25. You are going to love all these new items. You're gonna love them. I know you are. Okay, because you are fancy. You wouldn't be here if you wasn't fancy. Check this out. When I tell you I have some exciting items for you guys, won't she do it? Yes, she will. Yes, she will. Like Holyfield. Okay, so this is the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation. Get into this packaging. Hell, honey, this is a steal deal like Holyfield. Dollar Tree done step their game up for you and me. $1.25. And this is the only color that I see over here at this particular time. Honey, some steal deals like Holyfield. Let's go. Another item that Dollar Tree has is the Believe Beauty. So all the items now, when it comes like to foundation and stuff, they bringing in Believe Beauty, okay? So this is all over glow skin illuminator. This is $1.25. Styling and definitely profiling. Honey, get into it and do it. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get that your day is going to get better once you change your perception. Honey, your day is going to get better. So I have my little helper here with me, my daughter Amani. So today we are at the Dollar Tree in Fairview, New Jersey. Let's see if they're going to have us move our feet to the beat, shall we? Let's go. So before we get the video going, Amani said she needed to get herself some Slim Jims and stuff. All right, that's enough. Come on. So, Dollar Tree has these amazing tabletop decor. A son's first hero, a daughter's first love. Oh, child, get into this. Dad. Then they also have You're the Best Mom. These are so cute. Absolutely love this. And look at this one. Brave, strong, loved. Mom, absolutely love it. So they come in two different colors. They have the pink and also the green. Love that. Now Dollar Tree also have these table vases. These are so cute. I absolutely love these. And then they also have some more dad signs up at the top of the fathers. We ain't forget your dads. Okay, now Dollar Tree also have these ceramic birds. This is cute. I like this. You know, for a centerpiece. Really, really nice. Now, honey, we done talked about these candles. And when I tell you, these candles smell good, especially this blue citrus. Now, this is $5, these candles. Get into the packaging. They are so, so fancy. These smell really good. This one, the lemon sherbet. Then they also have the dragon fruit, okay? And honey, these. Now, this one smells good. The vanilla cashmere scented candle. Oh, this one smells good. Look, which one is that, Amani?
This one smells like strawberry.
Oh, this is lilac bloom. How that smell, Mama?
Smells good, but it smells like gummy bears.
Like gummy bears? Okay. Yeah, this one, the lilac, it can be like a little strong to me, but it smells good. They also have these mirrors, these mirror trays that we had seen last time with the gold trim. Honey, these are definitely styling and profiling. Now, if you're not a gold person, you more so silver, Dollar Tree definitely have what you need. Honey, did you see these? This is the LED hanging lamps. Child, get into this. Okay, now I don't know who put this. They ain't know I was coming here to record today. Now, get into this gold one. Ooh, child. This is really, really cute. Oh my goodness, you could do so many different DIYs with this. To the DIY girlies, all right? And to the DIY boys. Honey, $1.25. Hanging LED lamp. Now, Dollar Tree also have these little storage boxes right here. These are $1.25. I like these. These are cute. Now, listen, honey. I can only deliver. Okay, and there's words to the mother and a brother. Okay, I can only deliver. Now, we gonna get into these items. And I know a few of you guys, you done been late. Okay, showing up to class late. You know, because I'm teaching you these items from Dollar Tree. Now, we gonna get into this. Skin. Dollar Tree Believe Exfoliate and In-Shower Face Mask. Okay, so all the Dollar Trees near me, except for the one near my house, I haven't seen this item near yet. But mainly all the Dollar Trees that's in New Jersey, but the ones that I've been to, about 3 or 4, they have this. Okay, so this is In-Shower Face Mask. It has apricot powder and white pony infused for all skin types, $1.25. And if you look at this, honey, this looks like it costs more than $1.25. Honey, I'm a package girl. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Vibrate and Jade rollers that we had seen the other day. And I'm just gonna take this out. Oh, this is kind of small, but this is good. So I told you guys that it takes one AA battery. Okay, it has the on and off over here, and then you open it. Really, really cool. Now, Dollar Tree said that this is real jade for $1.25. Honey, this is a steal deal. Like, holy feel. They also have another one. So they have this one, and this one is pretty much like the jade roller. This one is a jade texture roller. So when you come to Dollar Tree, just be mindful. This one is a smooth roller, and this one is a texture roller. Okay, $1.25. Honey, with real jade, I don't know. Child, they got a meat. Another item to be on the lookout is the Twisted Sister Urban Therapy 3-minute moisturizer mask, coconut avocado, and almond oils. This is $1.25. Honey, you know, I say, where Dollar Tree getting these products from? Okay, now I know Dollar Tree and Family Dollar, they departed, I believe. That was on Google News. Okay, so I'm like, maybe that's where they getting the stuff from? Child, who knows? Another item that Dollar Tree has is the Sleek Trust Me to Relax shampoo and clean shampoo brush. This is $1.25. Now, this is designed for natural hair textures of all lengths, massages scalp while shampooing, therapeutic bristles designed for all hair types and hair length, fulfills everyday styling needs while promoting healthy hair. I know that's right. Now, other fun items for your hair, child, when I tell you, Dollar Tree is out here doing the do, okay? Twisted Sister presents Wellness Therapy. Now, this one is a hydrating treatment conditioner mask. Now, you guys said that this was good, okay? You guys misunderstand. Okay, you said this was good, child. You used this last summer, honey. All right. They also have the Sculpt and Style Cream. And the ingredients on here is, oh my goodness, Chef Kiss. Ginseng water and oil, hemp seed oil, ginger oil, rosehip oil, aloe vera, parabens free, sulfates free. Okay. $1.25. They also have the Hair and Scalp Triple Moisture Rich Shampoo, same as that concept. And then they also have the Wellness Plus Therapy, a clean solution for your hair and scalp. Honey, Dollar Tree is out here doing the do. You guys been looking for the Heritage brush, and Mindy McKnight, honey, I don't know who Mindy girl is, but Mindy is doing the do. Okay, she doing the do like you, like for you. Okay, listen, Dollar Tree has the Heritage by Mindy McKnight mirrors. Now, one of you guys said that this mirror, I think, is like $13 in Walmart. Oh, so this is a steal deal. Like, holy Phil, if you could come to Dollar Tree and get this for $1.25, $1.25. Now, last time they had these, and they did sell out pretty quick, but Dollar Tree had brought some more back, and so, honey, you better get it while it's hot. Now, other fun items as well that Dollar Tree has is these tumblers right here that go with spring and summer, all of fun seasons, okay? Let me know in the comment section, what is your favorite season? Mine's is definitely like summer, you know, when it's like 80 degrees, but not like 100, honey, 100. Child. Okay, now Dollar Tree has these tumblers, twist to drink 2 ways, removable straw. They have this color, this orange, and then they also have this mint green. Honey, you guys know green is my thing, like a chicken wing. So Dollar Tree is really doing it. Look at this, over the cabinet towel bars. When they start selling these? These are $1.25. Honey, if I told you guys $1.25, I meant to say $5. Okay, you know, from me saying $1.25 all the time, you know, I just be saying sometimes honey, this is $5. Now, Dollar Tree also have these other candles. Look at this. This is really cute. Honey, it's the packaging for me. Ooh, this one, you can't really smell it. I don't know what the heck. Wait, what is this? Fresh linen? Yes, fresh and clean. I can't really smell it. Amani, take a sniff, see if you can smell it, the fresh and clean one.
I can smell it.
How it smell, Mama?
Like, it smells like
Everything smells like gummy bears. Ooh, you know what I noticed? All the candles that have the dragon fruit, they all smell amazing. That smells really, really good. And this is $3, okay? And then they also have the blue citrus in the back. Honey, Dollar Tree is busy. In case if you guys have not seen this, the office boards, these are really, really cute. Absolutely love these. These are $5. You can plan your week out accordingly. They also have the space for the weekend, and then they also have the space to take notes. Honey, you don't know if you in Dollar Tree or Staples. They also have these weekly planners, the days of the week over here, which gives, you know, more space. And then they also have these notebooks over here, which are $5. Ooh, child, I absolutely love these. Notebooks, love these. Now, I always tell you guys to make sure you keep a notebook for journaling, okay, and also for goal setting. They also have these 5 subject notebooks, which are $3. It has the dividers in them. 5 subject notebook, really, really cool. So this has sketch pads in there, and then it comes water pad. Look at this. So this is the watercolor paper. Look at this for wet media. Honey, get into it. 24 sheets. These are $3. Check this out. Now, Dollar Tree also have these pen holders. Honey, these are nice with the gold trim. You know, I'm a gold girl. And then they also have this rose gold up here, this trim. This is nice. Honey, and look at these trays, these organizers. These are $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Check these items out. Dispenser and tumblers. Okay, they have the here. They come in 2 different colors. These are $5. Absolutely love this. Wait, hold on, child. I said 2 colors. Hold on now. They also have this turquoise right here. Movie groovies. Are looking for some Memorial Day, 4th of July. Dollar Tree definitely has it. Now I say 4th of July. Okay, champagne poppers. They have really cute to put on a table. You get what I'm saying? You having a cookout, honey, do. They also have the tassel garland over here, the little stars. These items are $1.25. The fringe backdrops, really nice plastic table covers. Honey, you ain't got to think twice. Headbands, honey, and they are giving you a few options. They said, you know what, we ain't giving you one, we're gonna give you several. They also have these scarves up here, and look at the gnomes, okay? The gnomes are showing out. They also have the 3 foldable fans, okay? Because you know it's gonna be a hot one. They also have these star bowls over here. You get 2 for $1.25. They have the red and also the blue. Really, really cool. Look at the hats, the table decorations, blue and silver. Love this. The kitchen towels, $1.25 as well. Ooh, chill. Honey, what y'all putting in here? Honey, what y'all putting in here? Okay? To the echo, my friends, to my friends out there, what y'all putting in here? 4th of July theme. Then they also have these bowls over here. The ice cream set. Check this out. This is the decor. This is cool. Let's see. This is Sweet Freedom with the ice cream cones. I really like the ice cream sets. This is cute. Look at this. The spoon shaped as a cone. Very nice. Now, if you really want to make a statement, honey, Dollar Tree has these light up glasses. These are $1.25. Styling. All right, family, let me know in the comment section what was your favorite items. Mine's, like I said, definitely was the ice cream cone set. That makeup, oh my goodness, that foundation, honey, definitely looked at styling and profiling. Honey, they had so many new items. Dollar Tree is definitely doing it for you and me, okay? Until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next one.